another episode of Heart to Palate, and today I'm very excited to share a recipe called Vangi Sode. And for that I have started with 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To that I'm going to add about quarter teaspoon of hing, because that gives थोडासा एक तो हिरमूसपणा जो असतो ना ग्रेव्हीला तो निघून जातो त्यामुळे. आणि I'm going to add about 2 big onions I have taken, finely chopped, and I'm going to saute them first. Until they get nice and soft. So it will take about 5 minutes until we saute these onions. And for the Vangi Sode, I have taken about 3/4 cups of sode, which I had soaked in warm water for about half an hour, and I'm going to make sure that they're nicely washed. There's no dust in it or रेती किंवा वाळू जी असते ती असता कामा नये. आणि मी ती धुवून छान 2-3 वेळा धुवून then I've soaked it in water, warm water, which we will add later on. So I'm just going to saute the onions for now. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes, I would say. It's been exactly 5 minutes that I was sauteing the onions. It's nicely softened now. To that I'm going to add about 3/4 cups of sode that I had told you, dried shrimps. This is how they look. Little thicker than your sukad ji asते ती आपली, त्याला सोडे म्हणतात. Those I'm going to add, which was soaked in water, warm water for about half an hour. So साधारण मी पाऊण कप घेतलेत ते, म्हणजे एक व्यवस्थित मोठी वाटी. And I've taken about 10 वांगी or eggplant for that, small eggplant, जी आपण भरली वांगीला कशी घेतो तशी वाली. तर आता हे सोडे छान आपण परतवून घ्यायचे. About 5 minutes or so. I can't tell you how amazing it's smelling right now itself. आमच्या घरी अथर्व म्हणजे my son and my husband, they both love this bhaji. So now sode are nicely sorted. I was sorting for about 5 minutes. To that I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of haldi to this now. And I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and about 3 teaspoons of Malwani masala. I've taken about 10 vangi or eggplant. So I've added about 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and 3 teaspoons of Malwani masala. And I'm just going to saute this masala all together. I can't tell you how amazing it's smelling already. To this I'm going to add about 2.5 teaspoons of salt. And I'm going to add my bhaska button to this masala now, which I'm going to give you the recipe separately also. For that I have taken 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, about 3/4 cups of dry coconut, shredded coconut, and 1 onion sliced, and everything I've sauteed them. And I've also added a couple of cloves and 1 or 2 sticks of cinnamon and about 8 to 10 peppercorns to that, and about 1/4 teaspoon of poppy seeds, which is खसखस जी आपण म्हणतो. आणि ते सगळं छान भाजून मी त्याचा भाजकळ वाटण जे आपण म्हणतो ते छान पेस्ट बनवली त्याची. That's what I'm going to add to this bhaji at this stage now. So I've added the water and now basic masala is ready. To this I'm going to add the potatoes and the eggplants. I've taken about 10 eggplants, and for each eggplant it's 2 pieces of potato. That's how I usually measure for my bharli wangi also, and this is similar to bharli wangi but non-vegetarian version of it. So I've taken about I would say 18 pieces of potatoes for this. I'll show you how I've cut them. I've taken about 2 medium-sized potatoes and I've cut them into like so pieces. छान मोठे ठेवलेत कारण आपल्या वांग्याच्या बरोबरीने ते शिजायला पाहिजेत. You don't want to cook them, overcook them either. So I'm taken about 18 pieces of those. तुमच्या बटाट्याच्या साईज प्रमाणे बघा साधारण. So but my potatoes, these were really big, so I cut them into about inch thickness and about 18 pieces I'm adding. And I've taken about 8 ते 10 वांगी घेतलीत मी साधारण ह्या साईजची. And I've just made slit into them, जसे भरली वांगीला आपण करतो तसं. And I've kept the stock for it. I like it that way, so it holds the body, basically texture rahata, and make sure they're nice and clean, there's no bugs in there. And that I'm going to add to the bhaji now. And whenever you're using eggplant, make sure when you chop them, put it in the water because you don't want them to get, iron त्याच्यामध्ये असतं त्यामुळे it gets darkened. So make sure you put it in the water and try to mix up the masala as if you're putting into the वांगी now. साधारण असं स्टफ करायला बघा. It will go into this and we're going to add some water to this. The mixer jar that I rinsed with the masala भाजका वाटण जे आपण केलं ते साधारण अर्धा वाटी किंवा अर्धा बोल पाणी मी त्याच्यात ॲड करून I'm going to add for the रस्सा for this वांगी सोडीसाठी. I'm adding about 1 bowl full of water that was from the rinsed mixer jar. I'm going to cover the pan with the lid now and let it cook for about 15 minutes or so, I would say. वांगी वगैरे शिजायला एवढा जास्त वेळ नाही लागत, 15 मिनिटं शिजायला पाहिजे. So I'm just going to cover it now and let it cook on medium flame. Make sure you put the masala into these notches. Whenever you're doing this, cover the masala over this eggplant because we made the cuts into them, so the masala goes nicely into it. And let it cook for about 20 minutes now until the potatoes and eggplant get nicely cooked. And our wangi sode are ready. So it's been exactly 50 minutes that our wangi sode was been cooking. Let's see if our eggplant is done. Yes, looks like it's done. Yes, wangi chan shizli hai. At the same time, I'm going to check one of the potato also. Perfect. So it's cooked. I can't tell you how heavenly it's smelling right now. So enjoy your wangi sode with garma garam pori or bhakri if you like, or daichi amti bhat, and enjoy the recipe.
So श्रावणानंतरची वांगी सोडेची recipe is ready to be served. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to palate.